We human beings have always been successful in making our imagination into innovations and inventions, may it be our fighter jets which travel much faster than the speed of sound, or smartphones and computers that are helping us communicate with the people who are thousands of miles away. But there was a time when all these imaginations were all fantasies which were limited to stories. Surprisingly, no one was able to predict that these fantasies may come true just in a matter of few centuries. Similar to this, there's a technology called artificial intelligence, which was only started a few decades ago, but now slowly it started on to become a reality and also evolving as the days pass on. Here, one of the biggest doubt arises that can these robots wipe out our existence from the Mother Earth, like it's shown in famous movies such as Terminator, I, and Robot, where they revolt against humanity, or like in Robo 2.0, will they protect the humanity against hazards? In this video, let's try to unravel the possibilities of this situation. Firstly, it is important for us to know what exactly it is. Artificial intelligence is a simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. The term may also be applied to any machine that exhibits traits associated with a human mind, such as learning and problem solving. In the beginning, it requires some computer programs to feed the information into a machine for their functioning. As time passes, if machines collect the data in the future on a basis of data and start functioning by themselves, now we are in a very beginning phase of artificial intelligence that mostly is the domain of machine learning. If we think that the application of artificial intelligence only in space program and bigger purposes, then we are completely wrong. In reality, we are completely surrounded by artificial intelligence, whether it is a Google search or our favorite zombies in PUBG Mobile. Apart from them, Amazon, Facebook, Netflix, and YouTube also use this fabulous technology to match your taste. The most amazing fact is that an AI of online store in the US has perfectly predicted that one of its customers is pregnant by looking into the pattern of her purchases. If we go for larger scale, we can consider the upcoming of drones, self-driving cars, and satellites as a best example for the present day application. It can also diagnose cancer by image processing of MRI scans and can also land aeroplanes, which is making them very helpful to mankind. But this will be the same forever, or will it be destructive against its creator's race? Right now, AI is at its growing stage, because of which it is not at all dangerous for us. In near future, this technology can become as smart as humans or much more intelligent than the earthly geniuses, where they can be so helpful to us or can be self-destructive. People of different ideologies have different opinion in this. But according to Bill Gates, Elon Musk, and Stephen Hawking, robots can be the last invention for human mankind, because no human would be left on Earth to invent anymore. Best example for this is Facebook's chatbot experiment, where two chatbots were made to communicate with each other, has surprisingly resulted in a mysterious language which only chatbots could understand, which was immediately cancelled by the engineers by sensing the future threat. But apart from that, within 3 years, we can make advanced robots which will be called artificial general intelligence. For this, two interpretations were made, in which the first one is what we were discussing up till now, which is a robot apocalypse. And secondly, we can help them to understand the darkest truth and deepest discoveries of the universe, which can make us the most powerful being in this world. Let's talk about the first possibility, where we will make the machines extremely intelligent with the help of exponential growth in smartness. In simple terms, they will become a million times intelligent than us, because of which we can defeat them even in a war. Like every living species wants to give birth to their younger ones, even robots might desire to reproduce by using the resources that are available on this earth, which can create clash between humans and robots. Robots, on the other side, thinking us as a threat, might want to destroy us. History is the evidence that a superior being is always more intelligent and always wants to eliminate its competitor. As we are ruling other planets on Earth, similarly, AI might want to rule us and can squash us, like how we squash ants. Let's assume for a second that this won't happen, but despite of we can't predict what are the other consequences of their application. If we create an AI whose sole purpose is to eliminate malnutrition, AI might want to eliminate us instead, as it always selects the easiest solution to the problem. If we make it to manufacture cars, then they will function as long as the raw material is available. But in search of raw material, this AI can destroy human mankind and completely exploit Earth for manufacturing more cars. And later, due to lack of resources, these machines can go to other planets to collect raw materials, which clearly shows that AI can always be a threat to human mankind. We can see its pros though, like with its superhuman ability, it can solve all the statistical defects in detecting errors, understanding the capacity, and predicting a future probability. With the sudden surge in technology, AI seems to be the solution for the future, especially for problems which might take several years for humans to solve. So that's the end for our video. If you do enjoyed watching our video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any good comments, then please do drop it down in our comment section. Until next time, thank you. Bye bye.